in plastic and burn up the bag. Put them in caskets, a fact, say the fact. Isn't it tragic already? Hey friend, and welcome to my channel. I'm Angelique. So today I'm going to be reviewing another new unit. This one is from the Outre Perfect Hairline collection. It's in the style Charlyn and it's in the color number 2. So this is what the stock card for her is looking like. This one is going to be 20 inches. And of course on the inside of the stock card you're just going to get the details as far as the cap construction. And this unit is going to be available in 6 special colors. So when you take it out of the box, you're going to note that the hairline is going to come pre-plucked, and it is also going to come with some cute little baby hairs right there. As far as the inside of the cap construction, you are going to get that 13x6 transparent lace parting space, and you're also going to get 2 combs that are right in the front. You're also going to get a comb in the back as well as your adjustable straps, and it does come with a pre-attached elastic band, and this one was made on a mesh wig cap. So first I'm just going to go in and start tinting that lace with my Ebin lace tint spray in the color medium dark brown. And that's what it's looking like after I'm done tinting that lace. Now I'm just going to pop it on the wig head and show you guys exactly what it's looking like. So far you guys, it does list the texture on this one as yaki, but it's definitely giving much more silky, so the more you finger comb these curls out, it is going to give you that frizziness, so just be aware of that. And I just wanted to bring it in closer to show you guys what this hairline is looking like. I didn't feel the need to go in and plug it out because I feel like it's pretty good as it is. So I went and cut my lace off camera. As always, I went in with my scalloped pinking shears. And now I'm just gonna go place it on my head and start styling it. So first I'm gonna go with a left side part, and like I noted you guys, this one is on the silkier side, so you can see as I'm parting it, I am getting some issues with some tangling and the hair is starting to frizz up. So this is gonna be one where you're not gonna wanna manipulate it too much if you wanna keep the curls intact. But if you are looking for more of that natural, not so perfect texture, then you can definitely go in and finger comb it out. But just know, if you do finger comb this bad boy out, you guys, it is not gonna last super long. So you're gonna probably deal with some tangling and you're gonna deal with shedding. Of course, it's a synthetic wig. So now I'm just gonna go in with my liquid foundation, and then I'm just gonna start adhering this around the perimeter of my lace because I know you guys can see that white lace cast that I'm getting. So I'm just going in and applying this to help dim down that cast. As far as the cap size on this one, you guys, I'm gonna say this one is definitely small and medium head friendly and possibly big head friendly. My head is about 22 to 22.5 inches in circumference, and I did go in and adjust the adjustable straps pretty much as tight as they can go, and it did fit my head really well. Now I'm just gonna go in with my lace melt mousse, also from Ebin, and I'm just gonna start moving those baby hairs into the hairline because I'm doing this as yet another baby hairless install. So I'm just using that mousse to help with adhering those baby hairs back into the hairline. And then I'm going to go in with my The Warrior 2 palette from Juvia's, and I'm going to combine the colors Yoda and Kufuru, and then I'm going to additionally go in with that along the perimeter of the lace as well. As far as the density on this one, you guys, I'm going to say the density is like 150% if you keep the curls as they are. It's going to lean more towards 160 to 170% the more and more you finger comb these curls out. And like I said, I wouldn't necessarily recommend that because the hair is going to start tangling up on you and you're also not going to get it to last super long. I think this one is definitely coming off as a special occasion unit just because, like I said, the texture is more on the silkier side. I think you could have longer wear if this was a yaki texture. And I'm just going in with my bristle brush, brushing down some of that hump action that I'm seeing. And even though I did do various styles with this unit just to show you guys what it was working with, I definitely did notice that there was some tangling and there was some shedding. So the stock card does list this one as glueless, and I was able to wear it glueless, so I absolutely was here for that. So now I'm just going in with my Kufuru and Yodit blend, and I'm just adding that into the parting space as well to just help define it a little bit more. And like I said, I'm wearing it glueless, and I feel like it's looking pretty good, especially for the summertime. We don't want to be wearing all these different adhesives and stuff on our hair, so I feel like this is going to be a good option if you're looking for a glueless wig and you also are a fan of curly hair, but you also don't mind the texture being on the silkier side. And of course, I'm just giving you guys looks and showing you how the style is coming together. From the back, you can kind of see it's getting a little bit of that frizziness from me manipulating the curls. And now I'm just gonna keep going in and showing you guys various styling options. And what I did like about this is, like I said, I did wear it glueless and I feel like I was still able to achieve realistic looks with it. Of course, when I'm doing like the ponytail half up, half down style, the lace is lifting a little bit, but as soon as I'm done with that, you can just pop it back down. It's no big deal. So this unit is also going to be heat safe up to 400 degrees. So if you wanted to use some heat to get rid of that hump action, you definitely can. I'm just a little bit weary when it comes to adding heat to curly units because I don't like when the top is super flat and then the curls start. So I try to just do it as naturally as possible to kind of just make it look more realistic. So when it comes to my cons and my pros on this unit, my number one con is just personal preference, and I'm gonna say it's the texture. I wish the texture was more on the yaki side. I feel like because it is on the silky side, it's gonna be a special occasion only unit and it's not gonna last super long, so just keep that in mind. Like I said, that's personal preference. That's probably the only con that I have. I mean, the fact that the texture is like this did make it difficult to style, but I still was able to make it work. But as far as my pros on this unit, I feel like the hairline was nice. I like the fact that it did come with baby hairs even though I didn't use them. I really like the length, the density is nice. The look is cute. Would I pick this one up again? Probably not, but I think if you're in the market for a curly unit, you just want something that's cute and kind of effortless and you already know what style you want to wear it in, then this one may be for you. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up in any of the colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.